Blockchain technology is evolving at breakneck speeds, faster than the internet itself. However, like the earliest days of the web, there are still problems that prevent adoption by mainstream organizations, namely isolation as a result of the need for privacy. The first generation of blockchains were built as alternative currency platforms, such as Bitcoin, launched in 2009. They offered cryptographically secure, peer-to-peer digital transactions verified by a decentralized global network and recorded in an immutable public ledger. The second generation of blockchains were designed as networks on which developers built blockchain-based applications with more advanced logic. The best example of this is Ethereum, launched in 2015. First and second generation blockchains are a lot like PCs in the 1980s. They show immense promise, but have not yet realized the value of being connected to each other in a seamless global network. That's where we are today. The next generation of blockchains will allow disparate blockchain networks to communicate with each other for the very first time. Think of it like a computer network providing a protocol and standard for dissimilar systems to communicate. The implications of this evolution will be massive, bigger than the proliferation of the internet itself. Aion is the key to unlocking that future. The Aion network is the world's first third-generation blockchain. It will be able to pass information, logic, and value among participating blockchains as freely as liquid assets on traditional blockchains, but where every transaction occurs on-chain. So, how does it all work? With the Aion network, blockchains will be able to be customized, created, and connected. Whether for existing or for the numerous blockchains yet to be built, Aion will be the ecosystem in which they coexist and communicate. The network provides federated interchain communication of both data and value to ensure security, regardless of scale. At the core of the Aion network is the world's first dedicated public enterprise blockchain, Aion 1, designed to connect other blockchains as well as manage its own robust applications. Both on-chain and interchain logic will be supported. Aion 1 also provides the economic system that incentivizes the exchange of logic and value. It's all fueled by the Aion token. Aion token will be used to develop applications, build bridges, create new blockchains, and secure the overall network. The Aion network is also designed to connect with the main Ethereum blockchain, allowing Aion tokens to traverse chains between Aion and Ethereum seamlessly. Moving forward, just about any blockchain platform can become Aion compatible and gain these capabilities. The applications for such an ecosystem are limitless. The Aion network will transform cross-organizational functions like supply chain management. It will streamline communication between health providers. It will securely bridge government entities across the world. There are already hundreds of blockchains around the world. In the near future, that number will grow to thousands and eventually millions. Without interoperability, none of the technology's promise can be fully realized. We are building that framework now. The Aion network will allow mainstream players to achieve not only interoperability, but at the scale and level of security required. When it comes to blockchain technology, the best really is yet to come. To learn more about how we're building the first third-generation blockchain, visit aion.network.